Hi, science students. I wanted to record a quick introduction video and just tell you a little bit about myself so that as we're doing our synchronous meetings, and you might see some pets pop in or something, you know what's going on. So I'm Miss Humes, Claire Humes. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I just want to welcome you to science. I'm really excited to figure out this whole distance learning thing and learn and grow with you. I like to laugh, and I also really love being a teacher. So first off, I love my pets. You'll probably see them a lot. I just moved offices, so I actually keep my door shut sometimes. But I have a cat named Margie who loves to pet herself on the computer, like she rubs her head on it, and that can be really distracting. And then I have a wiener dog named Lily, and I'm actually getting a puppy on Thursday, so I'm really excited, and I'll introduce you to her when she's here. I have a pretty cool life partner. His name is Josh. He likes to play music. He plays guitar, and he's recently been picking up the tenor banjo. And he likes to watch soccer and baseball. And together we do a lot of outside stuff. We work on our new house that we bought, and we like to play games. I also really like going to baseball games with my dad and with Josh. So that's my dad. He's also a teacher. And I like spending time outside with my mom and my sister. My sister and I, a couple summers ago, we went to Denver, Colorado, and we hiked what we thought was going to be 2 hours that actually took 5 hours. It's the hardest thing ever, but it was beautiful at the top, so worth it. And sometimes we do kind of active things together just to try to get outside, especially when it's a little bit colder and it's harder to get outside. School has been a really big part of my life. So I started in high school. I went to Mahtomedi, and then I went to Grinnell College, which is in Iowa. I studied chemistry and Spanish. And then I moved to Kentucky, where I lived in Louisville, Kentucky, and that's where I met Josh, and I got my master's in teaching. And then I got another graduate degree. Let me see if I can move this. Boom. It's called an education specialist degree in leadership. So after I moved back here from Louisville, I started there at Mankato. And now I just finished Mankato in May, and so now I am not doing school for a little bit, so that'll be kind of fun. Well, not doing college. I'm really excited about Kennedy. Some things I really love about Kennedy are being involved in volleyball. I'm a volleyball coach, and being involved in Science Olympiad. I also love getting to know you and talking to other teachers and just the spirit of Kennedy High School. So I'm really excited to try to encourage us to find the spirit of Kennedy High School, even though we're not all together. So, things I miss about school. If I'm being entirely honest, I miss a lot of things about school, but the biggest thing I miss is getting to know you and talk to you in person. So I'm really excited to try to figure out ways that we can do that, even though we're not in front of each other. It was really nice to meet you, and I'm really looking forward to having you introduce yourself to me. So, I'm Miss Humes. Thank you for listening.